Welcome back to my channel. So I have officially transitioned into the fall season, as you guys can see from my little pumpkins back there. And I changed my intro, which you've probably already seen, and I'm wearing my little pumpkin sweatshirt. I actually have two of these. I got this one last year, it's green. And then I bought another one, I think from Amazon, that's orange this year. So yeah, I'm all about the pumpkins, clearly. But okay, on to the video. So today I just wanted to do a quick little comparison video. I have a luxury passport cover and I only have one. I only need one. So I didn't have any plans of getting another one, but I did want to do a comparison. And my friend Paula was like, well, I do want the Louis Vuitton one. And I was like, you should get it and then let me do a comparison on my channel. So she was totally fine with that, which is super, super cool of her. So she actually didn't have it, so she had to get it, but we had it shipped to me. So this is gonna be like a little secret unboxing within the comparison. So I got it a couple of days ago, and yeah, I thought I would just unbox it and then do the comparison. So we have the Louis Vuitton box and then the little baby box. Okay, so we have this box and then this guy, which I think is just the receipt. Just some paperwork, I'm assuming. Yeah, it looks like it's a little, they always give you a little thing that says like exchanges and returns, like their guidelines for that. Oh, and actually this is just a little thank you card. Okay, well anyways, that's cute. Okay, so we are going to unbox this guy. And then we'll do the comparison. And don't worry, I'll wrap this all up. I'll wrap it back up so it's pretty when I give it to her, which I'm actually seeing her tomorrow. We're meeting for coffee tomorrow, so works out perfect. Okay. And here it is. Little stickers come with it. This is so pretty. This is beautiful. She's gonna love this. Okay, so this is the inside. This is the outside. So, so pretty. Okay, so this is hers. And this one is mine. So mine came from Tiffany's, and I have my husband's old passport in there. It's like expired. I'm honestly just using it as a prop, but anyways, let me take it out. Okay, so I just looked up both passport covers online, and I thought we would just go over the specs and do the comparison that way. So starting first with like measurements. So this is the Tiffany & Co. passport cover. It measures 3.9 inches by 5.3. The Louis Vuitton also measures 3.9 inches, but it's actually 5.5. And when you stand them both up together, you can see that the Louis Vuitton passport cover is definitely taller. And then when you look on the inside, you're gonna get credit card slots with both of these. Actually, with most passport covers, they're gonna give you credit card slots. But with the Tiffany & Co. passport cover, you get 3 different credit card slots that run horizontal. Whereas the Louis Vuitton, you get 4 different credit card slots that run vertical. And then I'm gonna use my husband's expired passport here, just so I can show you guys how it would look. So with the Tiffany & Co. passport cover, it slides in right there. And then you get this extra pocket that you can use for like other documents, boarding passes, vaccination cards, whatever you want. And then with the Louis Vuitton one, we'll slide this one in here. Okay, so I think this is how it would go. The passport cover here. And then same thing, you get this extra pocket that you can put documents in, but they also give you another extra pocket down here. So that's pretty cool. Definitely lots of room in the Louis Vuitton one. As far as material goes, the one from Tiffany's is going to be 100% leather. It's obviously dyed, but hopefully you guys can see the texture there. So it's leather on the outside and then leather on the inside. Whereas the one from Louis Vuitton, it's going to be canvas all around on the exterior, and then you have the leather lining on the inside. As far as personalizing them goes, I know you can do it with Tiffany's, but I'm pretty positive you can do it with Louis Vuitton as well. And mine actually does have a quote down here at the bottom. It says, "Oh, the places you'll go." I'll try to show you guys. But yeah, it's actually, it's a Dr. Seuss book that I love. So I felt like it just was appropriate. And I love how it's like really understated and kind of subtle. You can't really see it at first. But yeah, so that's pretty much it as far as the specs go. For price, this one is $265 and this one is $365. So this one is a little bit more money, but you are kind of getting more. It's taller, so you're getting more material. You get an extra credit card slot and an extra interior pocket. So if you're somebody who travels with a lot of cards, or you do want to share it with like you and your spouse, yeah, I definitely feel like it's worth it, and you should get whichever one you want. I don't feel like the price jump is so egregious that it's unreasonable. And this is a really, really pretty one. I know my friend's gonna love it so much. And I honestly love both. I love mine though, because the reason why, and I was looking at both of these when I decided to get one, so the reason why I went with this one is because I do have a decent amount of Louis Vuitton SLGs. So I just thought this is something that would be a little bit different. It's a bright pop of color, and I don't know, just looking at it makes me happy. So, but I think they're both really, really good. They look really pretty together too. So anyways, if you guys have any questions at all, definitely let me know if there's something that I missed or didn't go over. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.